Hey guys, MrFUNCTION here, and this video is to introduce you all to our latest production, Gangster Finance, which is opening in the next couple of days. So Gangster Finance is designed to be a series of community savings vaults on Binance Smart Chain with a little bit of a difference. They are single token pools which emit dual rewards. What that means is that, say for example, if you deposit into the BUSD vault, you'll not only earn BUSD but also OGX. We'll explain a little bit more about how that works as we go on through the video. But for now, let's take a look at the home page. So when you arrive there, at the moment we have a countdown timer running. This will probably be replaced by the block countdown timers when we actually deploy the vaults to mainnet. We have readouts of the total deposited since day one in US dollars. Also the balance of all the drip pools from the vaults added together, also in US dollars. And finally, also in US dollars too, is the total platform value added together. And that's just all of the stakes, drip pools, vaults, everything added up. So the prices are derived from CoinGecko V3 API, which is important to remember that their timing may or may not always be accurate, but that's where we get the prices from. So yeah, here we go. We have the jump in and learn more buttons. Jump in takes you to the dashboard. Learn more will take you to our documentation on Gitbook. So you'll see a few explainers as to why you should choose our platform, and you can have a read of those. But that's about it for the homepage. Let's head on over to the dashboard and I'll explain how that works. So as you can see, we have multiple vaults on offer, which will be running from launch. WBNB, BUSD, BTCB, XSK, and OGX as well. You can see that each of the vaults features the title, a certain mining rate for OGX token, the current USD price of each token, how much is currently staked up in there, how much of that token is in the drip pool of the vault, and how much is staked by other people. So that's for all of the vaults that we feature, and likely will continue the pattern for any vaults that we add in the future as well. So yeah, choose a vault that you'd like to stake in, and that's the next interface that you'll come across. So we're going to make an example of BUSD here. When you choose your vault and you're at its main interface, you'll see that you need to approve the contract to move your tokens around before you can get started. So the deposit button will actually say approve. But once that's done, you won't need to do it again. You can simply type in whatever you'd like to contribute and hit deposit. You'll notice that the contract automatically shows an estimation of what's actually added to your stake after the dividend and pool fees have been taken. Just to remind everybody, there is a 10% deposit and 10% withdrawal fee on all of the vaults of Gangster Finance. The fees are broken up in an 80-20 ratio, 80% going to the drip pools, and 20% going to instant dividends, which is dispersed proportionately between those that are staked in each of the vaults. So yeah, once you type in your amount, go ahead and click on deposit. Let's do that here. Testnet. Okay, so you can see that you get a notification where you can view the transaction, and that'll take you directly to BSC scan. You'll see we get a notification showing how much your stake has increased and how much OGX you received. So I just got another 9 OGX tokens for that. So as you can see, the information has updated on the panel on the left, how much I've currently got staked, the total I've deposited, the current rewards that I have, which I can either compound or harvest, how many times I've compounded, how much I've withdrawn, and how much I've compounded as well. So compounding is another word for reinvesting, which you may be familiar with from other similar applications. We also feature the ability to transfer staked tokens to other addresses. So say for example, if you want to pay a friend 50 tokens, you can send them those 50 tokens within the vault, meaning that those 50 tokens will continue to earn until your friend actually decides to withdraw them from the vault. So yeah, that means that you don't necessarily incur the 10% withdrawal fee for that payment. So the quick stats panel shows all of the other details about each vault contract, and this is going to be the same for every vault. XSK, WBNB, all of them. Each vault does feature a different mining rate of OGX, and that is detailed on the dashboard card for each of them. See, WBNB features a 2x, BUSD features a 3x, and other vaults in the future may feature higher or lower rewards. See, the OGX vault actually only features a 1x as well, and there's an economic reason for that as well. So anyway, that's pretty much all there is to the vaults, other than to withdraw, which I guess I better show you guys just in case, it is time. So look at this. We have 117 tokens staked. So let's go ahead and unstake the lot of them. It reckons I'm going to receive 105.3 tokens in rewards for this. So as you can see here, there's currently 0.56 there. Let's go ahead and withdraw the tokens from staking. Confirm. There we go. We get another notification there, which we can view the transaction of. And once that's done, what you'll see is that your stake that you withdraw actually goes to your rewards pile. And so once it goes to your rewards pile, that's when you need to harvest it to your wallet. See, stake reduced by 117 OGX there. It's gone to the rewards pile, which I can then click on harvest. Confirm. Harvesting OGX. Stats of the vault are updated. I get the little notifications. Just waiting for the confirmation. Sometimes it can take a moment on testnet. On mainnet, I think this will be a lot faster. There we go. Harvested 105.85 OGX to the wallet. So there we go. That's added to the withdrawn pile here. Shows deposited. So yeah, that's about all there is to it. There's also the documentation link on the left sidebar underneath all of the vaults here as well. So if you want to have a read about how things work, or if you'd like to have a deeper look into the operations of a particular component or how to do something, you can always look through these help guides as well. We also feature the contract code that we use in all of the Gangster Finance deployments inside of our documentation too. So that way you can have a read of that there, or even on BSC scan. With that in mind, I think that actually draws us to a conclusion of introduction about Gangster Finance. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in the Telegram room. Don't forget t.me/gangsterfinance. Yeah,